Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve question number 3, paper 31 May 2022. Solve the equation 2 cotan 2x plus 3 cotan x is equal to 5. Where is x between 0 and 180? Let us start with identities of tan. This is cotan 2x, but we can get cotan 2x as 1 over tan 2x. And tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan squared x. So in case of cotan 2x will be reciprocal of tan. So we'll start now. 2 cotan 2x, write it reciprocal 1 minus tan squared x divided by 2 tan x plus 3 cotan x, we can write it 1 over tan x. Cotan x is 1 over tan x is equal to 5. Now we have equation only in terms of tan. Cancel 2 with 2. Multiplied all by tan, or get the common denominator left, it's already tan x cross multiplication. If you multiply all terms by tan x, multiply each term by tan x. Multiply the first by tan x, remove tan x with tan x, so 1 minus tan squared x, plus multiplied by tan x, remove tan x with tan x, so the answer 3 is equal to 5 tan x. We have quadratic equation, write it in standard form. Minus tan 2x minus tan squared x minus 5 tan x. 1 plus 3 is 4 is equal to 0. So this equation now written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It's better to write the coefficient of tan squared x to be positive, but if you keep it correct, so you can change by multiplying all by -1. So tan squared x plus 5 tan x minus 4 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, -b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a, whereas x is now tan x. So tan x is equal to negative, b is 5 plus or minus square root b squared, which is 25, minus 4 times 1 times c, which is -4, all divided by 2a, which is 1. Simplify, it's -5 plus or minus square root. Negative is positive, 25 and 16 is 41 divided by 2. We have 2 roots, may be positive. Tan x is equal minus 5 plus root of 41 divided by 2. And tan x is equal to -5 negative root of 41 all divided by 2. Now we'll start. This value is a positive and this value is negative. Find the principal angle for each. X equals, shift tan the value positive. Don't forget, find the principal angle. Shift tan -5 plus root of 41. Root 41 divided by 2. So the principal angle is 35.05. But tan positive, in which quadrant tan positive? First and third. First is x, third is 180 plus x. So the first solution is 35.05. Second solution is 180 plus the principal angle, but this value rejected because of the range of values of x written up. What is the range of x from 0 to 180? So this value rejected. Second part, if you use the principal angle, shift tan, for the answer, which is positive value, so the answer will be shift tan, the value positive, I change the sign to be 5 plus the square root of 41 divided by 2. So the principal angle is 80.05, 80.052. But tan given negative. Tan negative in which quadrant? Tan negative in which quadrant? According to ASTC rule, ASTC, tan negative second and fourth. Second and fourth. Second, 180 minus the answer, which is 80.052. Fourth, 360 minus the answer, but also this value rejected because of the range. So 180 minus 80.0052. The answer is 99.94. 99.94 accepted. So the final answer correct to 3 significant figure, but for angles, it's better to write it 1 decimal place. So the final answer is 35.1 degrees and 99.9 degrees. This is the final answer, simplified 1 decimal place for each angle. Thank you.